Okay. So this is configured to be mm, okay. So it is looking, and now let's. This is a business service. So business service has been configured. So first let's deploy this and just test it just to make sure that it's looking okay. One-way notifier service and one-way client, right? So here in client we have the business. So process order, process order. Since we said any XML service, the message type, okay, and if we go to the console, see we got the output, okay. So far it's looking okay. Right now, now let's create the proxy service. Okay, proxy service, um, and the process order proxy service. Okay. Let's also assume this is any XML service, and then in the message flow, I'm gonna. So can someone now? I just need to invoke the let's say this is a process order service, right? Now, before process order begins, our processing order begins. Let's say if it's a big order, we send out a notification. A notification is like just sent out, and then it will continue with the processing, right? So in that case, we will add a pipeline pair here, right? Because we won't add a route node in this scenario, right? Because first we want to do the publish action. So if you are doing if you add the route node, then you are like actually routing to your order processing, right? In order, but if you since we need to do multiple steps here, pipeline pair node will let you kind of achieve that. Okay. So in the pipeline pair node, I will go ahead and insert a stage, and stage is and then stage I will in communication I will do the publish action. Okay. Now here for publish I will pick the business service, one way notifier client, right? So because you might be thinking, since that's a proxy service, can we pick a proxy service directly? No. Yeah, in order for a proxy service to call another proxy service, you will create a business service. So you will treat that proxy service like any other endpoint, okay? And you selected that here, the business service, okay. And then let's also add another log statement here, saying that notification has been sent out, continuing with your processing. Okay, continuing with PO processing. And let's say that is warning. Okay, and this is PO service. Okay, now we will go ahead. Okay, see, first the publication was see, publication was see, first it sent out it did the publish action, and then it continued with the log action. See, I mean, it didn't wait for that calling service. Okay, that's why it was able to print out notification has been sent out and continuing with the PO processing. And then the other service that to which message was published, then it here see its log statement was printed afterwards. Okay, so that tells you that okay, so that's how you use the publish action. Okay, and that is specially to do one-way asynchronous calls. Uh, th- um, and now, uh, okay, any questions on that? It's that should be pretty simple. Okay, and we have done some Java callouts. I just wanted to spend some more time on it, and talk about like few more things. Now let's say in the same example that we are doing here, um, that we are doing in the notification service, right? A notification service. This is the notification service, which is right now. Let's say it is just like logging, right? Let's say the notification service, kind of. Um, there is let's say it has to do some Java callout action, to get some work done, right? So for Java callout, it should be even a package is not needed. Okay, okay. So we go to the class and we are saying notifier. Notifier. Let's say this is Java class. Okay. So it's an empty Java class. So yeah, any method that you will be writing that you want to invoke from OSB, it has to be static, right? Public static, and if the method doesn't return anything, we put void, right? Public static